how to set the iPhone camera format to JPEG XL lossless or lossy. So first, let's return back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Camera. From here, scroll down, then tap on Format. Then we go down and tap on Pro Format. Now make sure you enable this feature and then tap on that. Once you are in the Pro format, you can select JPEG XL lossless or lossy. So if you take a look at this, once you select it, it will give you the different format settings. So here, the file size are approximately 11 megabyte for lossy, and for lossless it will be 18 megabyte. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.